How to create a successful digital marketing strategy. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, creating a successful digital marketing strategy. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or just looking to boost your online presence, these tips will help you get started. So, let's get into it. The first step in creating a successful digital marketing strategy is defining your goals. What do you want to achieve? More website traffic, increase sales, brand awareness. Having clear, specific, and measurable goals will guide your strategy and help you stay focused. Next, know your audience. Understanding who your target audience is will help you create content that resonates with them. Use tools like Google Analytics and social media insights to gather data on your audience's demographics, interests, and behavior. With your goals and audience in mind, choose the right digital channels. This could include social media, email marketing, SEO, content marketing, or PPC ads. Focus on the channels where your audience is most active. Content is king. Create valuable, engaging content that addresses your audience's needs and interests. This could be blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and more. Consistency is key, so make sure you're regularly posting new content. Don't forget about SEO. Implementing SEO best practices will help your content rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for your audience to find you. Focus on keyword research, optimizing your content, and building quality backlinks. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with your audience. Share your content, interact with your followers, and run targeted ads to expand your reach. Each platform has its own strengths, so tailor your approach to each one. Finally, always analyze and adjust your strategy. Use analytics tools to track your performance and see what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to pivot and make changes to optimize your strategy for better results. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a successful digital marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.